someone decided to send another breakfast.
Orders and benchmark remedies. Mr. Levankas. Why? Because for the past 3 months I've felt good in my happy months, which nowadays, after the 2 health clinics, also the final one, within 5 minutes to keep my designs. Yeah, I really needed it. I feel like it's not right. Hold on. I got it. It's all right.
Alright, I'm gonna need it at the page real quick. Come see it. Howdy there. If the AC guy comes, call me, yeah?
I think there might be something wrong with the dress.
No, this is what Eleanor designed.
Really?
Did you ever see Cinderella?
The cartoon? Sure.
Remember the little girls that helped her dress? Remember how they didn't offer their food? Friday met them. Do you do that?